In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change secure folder lock type on Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first off, you need to head over to Settings. After that, type right here at Search, and then just search for Secure. That's how we can easily find secure folder. And after that, we need to top at secure folder again, and the top of this list. And in here we can easily find a lock type. Once we get Indeed, we can configure it. Before that, it will ask you to use your current lock time. To get into this part of the settings, I've just used pattern right here. It says that it is current Loctite. However, now we can choose different one. Let's say we want to use bean instead of pattern. I'm just gonna choose bean here, and then we can enter any numbers here. Then hit continue, and then we need to render them and hit at OK. As you can see, I've just said bean as my current Loctite for the secure folder. And from here, we can easily change it to password or back to pattern. And also here we can configure if we would like to use our fingerprints to unlock our secure folder. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button